Hi everyone, Savannah here, and for today's video, I'm so excited to share with you some amazing finds from Michaels for St. Patrick's Day. So if you wanted to decorate your home for St. Patrick's Day or hosting a little party, this video is perfect for you, and I hope you get some decor ideas. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. Don't forget to subscribe. I post shopping videos here on YouTube, so if you're interested in that kind of content, make sure to subscribe. I'd love to have you on. And without further ado, let's get started. Michaels has some amazing finds for St. Patrick's Day, so if you're looking to decorate your home, both inside and out, look no further because today we are going to go over some great finds. So first, for today's first find, I found this sign. It says Happy St. Patrick's Day with the little leprechaun. This will be great to put either inside or outside your home, but I just think it adds such a fun touch, and I love the little leprechaun. I think it's so cute, and right now it's currently on sale, priced at $33.99, so that is a great buy. And then something to add a little extra touch is this 8-foot banner, and then the words lucky are a little balloon that you can blow up, and then it has the little shamrocks on each side. I think this would add such a fun touch, especially if you're hosting a gathering. And this is also on sale as well, currently priced now at $4.89. The regular price was $6.99, so this is such a great buy. And I feel like these little decoration items can go such a long way and really spice up your home, especially if you are entertaining, and they're reasonably priced too, which is great. And then another great find are these green and gold glittery table scatters. And of course, you can use these to do crafts. You can use them to just place wherever you're decorating for St. Patrick's Day, just not on a table. So there's a lot of uses you can use these scatters for, and they are currently 30% off. Right now they are priced at $3.49. Originally they were $4.99, so this is a great buy. Michaels has some amazing finds for St. Patrick's Day, so if you're looking to decorate your home, both inside and out, look no further because today we are going to go over some great finds. So first, for today's first find, I found this sign. It says Happy St. Patrick's Day with the little leprechaun. This will be great to put either inside or outside your home, but I just think it adds such a fun touch, and I love the little leprechaun. I think it's so cute, and right now it's currently on sale, priced at $33.99, so that is a great buy. And then this next sign here is a hanging wall decor item, and it says Irish, and it has the little shamrocks and as well as the leprechaun hat, and it is currently on sale for 64% off, priced at $18.65 right now. Original price was $52, and this is also another online exclusive item, so you can only pick this up online. So if you're going to be doing some of your shopping online, I would make sure to grab this, and I feel like you can put this throughout your house, and it just adds such a fun touch. And then here is a shamrock table decor set. It says Luck of the Irish, and I just think this is so cute, perfect to put on your table or really anywhere throughout your house. And it is currently 35% off. Right now it is $22.74, originally priced at $35. And then this next sign is perfect to put outside in your yard somewhere. It is a 24-inch Happy St. Patrick's Day metal shamrock wagon, and this would be perfect to just place in your yard to add a little special touch. And it is currently on sale, priced at $29.99. I love adding wreaths to my home, and this one here I think is so adorable with the green, and then it has the little gnome in the middle, and this is currently priced at $41.99. But also too, Michaels has a lot of great ribbon if you want to create your own St. Patrick's Day wreath as well. But if you don't have the time, you can purchase this one here, and I think it's so fun with the little ribbon ties it has, and then there's little shamrocks as well, so this is a great option here. And then if you're going to be doing any sort of St. Patrick's Day crafts are looking for some ribbon, Michaels has some really great options here, but my favorite one was this one here, and this ribbon is 30% off now, and its current price is $2.79, and I just love all the little green shamrocks that this ribbon has. And this would be also great to use if you're kind of doing some St. Patrick's Day gifting, to add a little ribbon and a little tie to your gift would be so fun. But there are so many great uses you can use this ribbon for. And then here is this wooden porch sign. This would be so nice to have either inside or outside your home, especially if you're going to be doing some type of entertainment and throwing a St. Patrick's Day party or gathering. This would be so nice to have. It says Irish Kisses and Shamrock Wishes, which is so cute. And it is currently on sale, priced at $29.99. And then this next find here is a shamrock doormat. It says St. Patrick's Day with the 3 little shamrocks in a little plaid print, which is nice. And I feel like it's always so fun to add special touches outside your home for any holiday occasion. So I found this, and it is currently priced at $43.99. And with this doormat here, this is an online only exclusive find, so you cannot find it in the stores. So if you are looking to get a doormat, here is a great option here. And then speaking of outdoor finds, this is a set of yard signs. You get 8, priced at $30. It comes with different little shamrocks, rainbows, leprechaun hats, and this will be perfect if you are throwing some type of party to help decorate your yard and add a little touch to your home. And then here is a backdrop. This would be perfect for photo ops if you are throwing a party. It comes in both green or gold, and these are so reasonably priced, and it's currently on sale at $4.19, originally priced at $5.99. So this is a great price, and it's 6.5 feet long. So this would be such a great little photo op. I think it would be so fun. Or if you don't want to use it as a photo op, you can always do this and tape it to a doorway, so when you walk through it, I think that will be so fun. And if you're throwing a party, this is a great find. And then for little holiday occasions, I love to get some dish towels that match the upcoming holiday. So I found these ones here. This is also an online only exclusive item. And these are currently on sale, priced at $13.99. Regular price was $20, so you save $6, which is quite a savings, 30% off. And I just think these add such a fun touch to a kitchen. And then another great find are these green and gold glittery table scatters. And of course, you can use these to do crafts. You can use them to just place wherever you're decorating for St. Patrick's Day, just not on a table. So there's a lot of uses you can use these scatters for, and they are currently 30% off. Right now they are priced at $3.49. Originally they were $4.99, so this is a great buy. And then here are some plates. It says Happy St. Patrick's Day. You get 8 of them for $2.85, and they are 9 by 9 inches, so they're reasonably large, and this would be great if you're hosting a party or entertaining to use this to help serve your food. And then another entertainment find are these gift boxes here. I just think these are so adorable, and it has the little touches with the little bow on top with the glitter. It has a little leprechaun hat on the side with the glitter, and I just think this is so cute. You can put candy in here, little gifts, and you can even put those little shamrock table scatters in each of them as well. And you get a set of 12, and these are priced at $13.99. So this is a great buy here, especially if you're going to be entertaining. I think guests would love to have these boxes to have little takeaways in. And then here are some decorative straws for St. Patrick's Day. It comes in a set of 24, and they are currently priced at $14.99. I just think these add such a fun touch, especially if you are throwing a party or hosting a gathering. I think guests will love to have these. If you are doing some type of St. Patrick's Day crafts, Michaels has a great variety of sticker options, and I found these here. They are priced at $8.99, and currently you can get extra 25% off with an online purchase using their 25 entire code for online shopping. And I just thought these were so cute. Or if you're going to do like some type of scrapbooking for St. Patrick's Day, I think this would be such a nice little touch to add. So there's a lot of different uses you can use for these stickers. And then speaking of St. Patrick's Day crafts, here are some coloring placemats, and it comes in a set of 16, and there's different little activities on the back of each placemat, and then on the front it says Happy St. Patrick's Day, feeling lucky. I thought these were so cute, and especially be fun for the kids to do to keep them entertained. So I thought this was such a fun and cute craft idea. Another great buy here are these 13.5 inches green and white carnations. These are 30% off. Original price was $4, and you can get them now for $2.79. So if you're going to be doing some type of crafts, I think this is a great find here for that. If you want to dress up for St. Patrick's Day a little bit, Michaels has some great accessories. So I found this cute little headband here, and it is 30% off. Original price was $5, and right now you can get it for $3.49, which is such a great find. And I think if you're going to some type of parade, this would be really cute. Or if you're just looking for some fun accessories, Michaels has some great options. And then another fun accessory item here is this Lucky Trucker hat. It is also 30% off, price right now at $9.09. And if you're looking for some fun accessories to wear, I think this hat would be so fun. And I love the little lucky detailing it has with the gold outline for the lucky lettering. And then another great accessory item here are these lucky bracelets. It comes in a set of 3, and it is 30% off. Right now priced at $5.59, which is a great buy. And I just thought these are so cute. And then probably the top one, the green and white bead one, you can probably wear all year round. But I just thought these were so adorable and so fun for St. Patrick's Day. Another accessory item here is this Happy St. Patrick's Day adult t-shirt. Comes in small, medium, large, extra large, and 2X. And it is also 30% off, priced at $9.09 right now. And of course, you can also make your own St. Patrick's Day shirt too at Michaels with all their crafting supplies. But if you just want to get a St. Patrick's Day shirt here and not get pinched, here would be a great option. And then another accessory item are these lucky earrings. They're also 30% off, currently priced now at $5.59. And I just think these would add such a fun touch to a St. Patrick's Day outfit. And then I found this pillow. It is this shamrock pillow, and I think the colors are just so fun. And this would be perfect to put anywhere throughout your house. And it is a little bit on the pricier end, priced at $47.49, which is only 5% off. But Michaels also has a lot of coupons online that you can use to help lower the price. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you in my future shopping videos. Bye. Thanks for watching.